Okay, what I want to do with this video is show you that trading doesn't have to be difficult. Keep it simple. We've had an exceptionally good week this week in VIP. And if you just follow some really simple rules, you'll come out on top. First thing, is the trend bullish or bearish? It's bullish, so we look for a buy opportunity on a pullback. I'm going to explain the strategy. Higher time frame is bullish. That confirms. It pulls back, candles turn red, and then we look for the next green signals after the session opens. That's the New York Open. The blue one is the London Open. Enter on the green signal. If you don't see the little orange dot, exit at your own discretion, or make sure you exit on that red signal. That's all you got to do. I took this one today. Again, look, is it bullish? Yes. Asia Open. Trend pulls back. Buy on the buy signal. I exited this trade up here on this. This was our exit alert coming from the trend channel. That's it, guys. Okay, so I mean, here's the idea. Use the VWAP alerts for the entry and the exit. So I'm going to post that in. Oh, yeah. This one saved my butt yesterday. So this was bullish. Okay, every now and again, a bullish trend will, it'll do a little bit of a thing like this. That's fair enough. I did the right thing. I entered on the bullish signal. As soon as I saw that, I bailed. I closed that trade. It was slightly in profit, and that saved me from being taken out. It's so easy, and it's just coming from one indicator, that one. Both those green and red signals. I mean, seriously, guys, this is such a good system. Yeah, look, this was the idea. Look for a pullback and take the next green signal. Dollar yen. This was the use the VWAP indicator, and then there it is. There's the pullback. There's your green signal. And again, like the signal's green, take it, bail on the little orange dot, or if you see a red signal kick in, exit. Well, move your stop loss to break even. Here we go. This was the Aussie yen. I'm long the Aussie yen. Jump in with me. So this was, again, it's the same thing. It's all the same. Higher time frame pullback. Buy on that signal. Go for it. All right. And then the next thing with that, Aussie yen. Okay. It rallied. And then I moved my stop loss to break even. Just fantastic. All right, I mean, look, this goes on and on. Oh, here we go. What's this? There were no bearish alerts. Yeah. So this one, we were looking for continuation on a bearish trend. See, the 4 hour is bearish. Every now and again, smart money's going to throw a spanner in the works. There's no bearish signal. This was looking into the, this was the London Open. They're all green signals. So you'd stay out of it. Now, there was, if you took this early, before the London Open, I don't recommend doing that, but there was a red signal here. If you took that, you need to bail on the first green signal. Just get out of the trade. All right, 15-minute time frame. There it is. 30-minute will give you less signals. 15 minutes, but you're a little bit more busy. That's all you got to do. All right. And here we go. Look, this is exactly it. Okay, that's a higher time frame. We're looking for that. There's your signals. This is the London Open. There's your buy signal. Okay. I mean, a data event occurs, a news event, whatever. Trump jumps on his thing and makes a bit of noise, whatever the case may be. Smart money decides to dump it. You buy here, and probability is high that that will continue. However, possibility it goes the other way, very real. Exit in profit on that signal. That's all you got to do. Just the same thing every day, over and over again. Rinse and repeat. Just do the same thing. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to be posting things like this. This isn't a bearish trend. There. It's trending down. Look for the pullback. Enter short. Go. Look for the pullback. Enter short on the signal. That's it, guys. Take a trade. You're a New Zealand. And if it holds up and goes against, then, as I said, now this was the idea, and then you're a New Zealand. What happened with that? Yeah, look. Okay, it didn't. Okay, every now and again it'll go the other way. And this will save you from losing money. Alright, long New Zealand Swiss. Here's the thing. See now, again, just follow. It's just the same thing, guys. Rinse and repeat. Keep it simple. Okay, the higher time frames bullish. You're looking for that. Okay, there's a signal. What did I do? I jumped in late after the Asia Open. Fair enough. And I said to you, I'm in here, jump in. So some of these I'll jump in on the Asia Open and I'll give it to you. Most of them are going to be set up for the London and New York Open. So New Zealand Swiss, okay, that continued up. And I thought, bring your stop loss to break even. But that's it, see. And most of this will trend. We were looking for a short. This is in a bearish trend. That was the short. It's coming down. It pulls back and we're looking for that next sell signal right there. Most of the time, you're going to get it. Sometimes it'll do that, but then you can bail on the first green signal and, exit in profit. So this is it's such a good system. Look at our trades. This is VIP. This is the London Open right here. So a lot of these trades I'll send in early and Okay, so look, if you want to pass your prop challenge or have access to a system like this with my mentorship, like every day, here, look, we do a recap and here's today's trade ideas, how to go about it. Look at them, watch the mentorship videos. They all go in here. And if you want to get into the nitty gritty, then I've got a complex, VWAP and volume profile thing that you can study, and we've got all that stuff in here. You can go through videos and just all that. Anyway, here's the thing. If you're interested in, this is a trade copy. 1 times risk, 2 times position size, increased by 2 times, 3 times risk. Let's go red. This is averaging 21% per month. This is averaging 14% per month on average, right? And this one is averaging 7% per month. So it just depends on your risk. We can connect you to this, guys. No, this is it. This is the gold bot. It's phenomenal. 2 years, just right. And then my trades as well. If we click on this, okay. Since the 1st of June, new indicators, upgrading the strategy, etc. Okay, 7 consecutive winning weeks. So you can connect your account to mine. You can have these copied over, and then we can connect you to both the EA, the gold bot, and my trades. That's available. So if you want to find out about that, just go to join VIP. And if you want both, it's the gold membership. If you want to, if you want the gold bot, if you just want the indicators without any trade, actually, there is a trade copy that you can have for free. But, the indicators and the mentorship, it's just show me lunch. That's it. Buy me sushi once a month. Now, free trade copy, that's mine. We can connect your MetaTrader to this account, and that's free. Just contact me, and I'll send you the link to connect. And you can manage this yourself. You can increase the risk, decrease it, up to you on that account. Anyway, seriously, guys, if you're looking for an easy way to make money, jump on board and enjoy the journey. Okay. With that, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.